Hello, students. I am Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and today we are going to cover 36 most important MCQs, multiple choice questions based on the chapter My Childhood. In this chapter, we'll study the life story of APJ Abdul Kalam. I would like to remind you, you have to attempt the questions before me. For that, you will be given some seconds and then tell me in comment section at the end how many of your answers you attempted correctly. So let's begin. The very first question that is on your screen. Question number 1, very easy question. When did APJ Abdul Kalam become India's 11th president? You can easily answer this question. 2002, 2007, 2003, 2005. When? Yes, 2002. APJ Abdul Kalam became 11th President of India in the year 2002 and till 2007. From 2000 to 2007. Next question. What is the name of the autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam? APJ Abdul Kalam की आत्मकथा का नाम क्या है? ये आपने पढ़ा है. What is the name of the autobiography of APJ Abdul Kalam? My Experiments with Truth, The Story of My Life, Wings of Fire, none of these. Which one? Yes, Wings of Fire. Next one. Where was Kalam born? कलाम का जन्म कहाँ हुआ था? We have options. At island town of Rameswaram in Madras state, in Maharashtra, in Karnataka, in Chennai. Where? At island town of Rameswaram in Madras state. Question number 4 on your screen. This chapter, My Childhood, is taken from. We have options. Childhood Memories, Professor APJ Kalam's book Wings of Fire, Mahatma Gandhi's book. None of these. So what is our correct option? Yes, Professor APJ Kalam's book Wings of Fire, from his autobiography Wings of Fire. Question number 5. Name 3 friends of Kalam. If you remember, Kalam had 3 friends in childhood whose name he has mentioned in the textbook. Name 3 friends of Kalam. Ramnatha Sastri, Arvindan, Shiv Prakashan, all of these, all the above were friends of APJ Abdul Kalam. So what is our answer? All of these. Next one. How old was Kalam during the Second World War? If you remember, he was born on 15 October 1931 and died on 27 July 2015. It was 2015. So if we count the Second World War that is started in the year 1939, how old he was during Second World War? 31 to 39? It's very simple. 8 years. How old he was? He was 8 years old. Next question. What did Kalam inherit from his father? What qualities, what traits he got from his father? Options: hatred, honesty and self discipline, to fight, to be arrogant. Which one? Yes, B. Honesty and self discipline. Question number 8. When was Kalam's ancestral house built? कलाम का पुराना घर, उनके पूर्वजों का घर कब बना था? In 18th century, in 19th century, in the middle of 19th century, all. What is correct option for us? In the middle of 19th century. Next question. What is the theme of the story My Childhood? Children are precious. Childhood is a treasure. Society must be in harmony. Society, environment, and childhood experiences shape one's life. So, what is the theme? Society, environment, and childhood experiences shape one's life. Question number 10. What is the message of the lesson? What message does this lesson give us? Mutual trust, peace, and harmony are must for a society. Live happily, fight for our rights, have fire on your wings. So, what is the correct option? Yes, mutual trust, peace, and harmony are must for a society. Now, the next one, question number 11. What is essential for all round growth according to the lesson? Tolerance, acceptance, brotherhood, all the above. What is the correct option? All the above. If you have marked it, you are doing well. Question number 12. How did Mr. Iyer, Siva Subramania Iyer, change his wife's notion? Who was this Siva Subramania Iyer? His science teacher. How did he change his wife's behavior notion? By force, by showing her eyes, by lecturing her, by his own example and behavior. How? By his own example and behavior. Question number 13. In what sense was Kalam's childhood secure? कलाम का childhood secure था कैसे? He was getting all the necessities of life like food, clothes, study, parents' love and support, good society, all of these. He had everything, getting all the necessities, parents' love and support, good society. So, what is our answer? All of these. Next one. What does material security mean in the lesson? All the basic necessities of life, materialistic possessions, wealth, riches, all the basic necessities of life. Question number 15. What does emotional security mean? Life full of anxiety, balance of emotions, control over emotions, love and care to lead a stress free life. So, what is the correct option? Yes, D. Love and care to lead a stress free life. Now, question number 16 on your screen. Which seeds did Kalam collect during the Second World War? It's very easy. Linseeds, tamarind seeds, orange seeds, mango seeds. Yes, tamarind seeds. इमली के बीजों को वो इकट्ठा किया करते थे. Why did Kalam collect tamarind seeds? Next question related to the same question. To grow plants, to eat them, to earn good money? None. Yes, to earn good money. Where did Kalam sell these seeds? In a market, to other children, people of his society, to a provision store on the Mask Street. Where? Yes, D. To a provision store on the Mask Street. 19. How much money did Kalam earn after selling seeds? I hope you can easily answer it. 2 anna, 3 anna, 1 anna, 4 anna. Yes, 1 anna. That was a princely sum for him. Next question. Who was Samsuddin? Kalam's brother, Kalam's friend, Kalam's neighbor, Kalam's cousin. Who was? Who was Samsuddin? Samsuddin was Kalam's cousin. Who was he? Samsuddin was Kalam's cousin. Question number 21. What did Samsuddin do? What was his business? Distributed newspapers in Rameswaram, helped collecting seeds, played chess all the time, helped in selling seeds. What was his business? His business was to distribute newspapers in Rameswaram. Who helped Kalam in getting his first wages? Arvindan, his parents, teachers, Samsuddin. Yes, who was that person? Samsuddin, his cousin, helped him getting his first wages. पहली कमाई जो हुई थी किसकी वजह से? Because of Samsuddin, his cousin. 23. Why did Kalam feel sad when he was in 5th standard in an elementary school? अब दुखी क्यों हुए थे एक दिन जब वो 5th स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ रहे थे प्राइमरी स्कूल में अपने वहाँ? He did not do his homework. Teacher scolded him. His teacher did not let him sit with his Hindu friend Ramnadha Sastri, if you remember, his best friend, in the first row because he was a Muslim. None. So what is correct option for us? Yes, his teacher did not let him sit with his Hindu friend in the first row because he was a Muslim. And for that, that young teacher was scolded by Pakshi Lakshmana Sastri, the father of Ramnadha Sastri. 24. Who was Kalam's close friend? Ramnadha Sastri, we have just discussed about it. Who was this? Ramnadha Sastri. And who was Ramnadha Sastri? The son of the priest Pakshi Lakshmana Sastri, high priest of Rameswaram temple. 25. Why did the teacher separate Kalam from his friend? What was the reason he was separated? They were talking in the class. They were not doing their work. They were disturbing the class because of his own notion of social ranking, religious discrimination. Because of the notion, because of the feeling of the teacher of social ranking and religious discrimination. 26. Who was the father of Ramnadha Sastri? We have just discussed about it. You can easily answer it. Pakshi Lakshmana Sastri. Lakshmana Sastri. Next one. Which symbol represented Abdul Kalam's as a Muslim boy? कैसे वो जाने जाते थे कि वो मुस्लिम है और बाकी बच्चे क्या पहनते थे? कैसे पता चलता था? Those Brahmin students were sacred thread, while he wore a cap that segregated him as a Muslim. What kind of person was Shiv Subramania? Shiv Subramania Iyer, if you remember, he was the science teacher of APJ Abdul Kalam. Who inspired him? He was Orthodox Brahmin, calm and generous, believed in equality and wanted to bring reforms in the society. All the above. Yes, he was all the above. Orthodox Brahmin, calm and generous, believed in equality and wanted to bring reforms in the society. He was a kind of rebel. 29. Why did Shiv Subramania serve Kalam himself and sat with him to eat? If you remember, एक बार उन्होंने कलाम को अपने घर दावत पे बुलाया था और उनकी वाइफ ने क्या किया, खाना परोसने से मना कर दिया, बिकॉज ही वॉज अ मुस्लिम। वो खुद बैठते हैं कलाम के साथ और खुद खाना परोसते हैं। We have options: to avoid any disturbance because of biased behavior of his conservative wife, to show equal respect for everybody because he wanted to prove himself great, to demoralize his wife. What is the correct option? To avoid any disturbance because of biased behavior of his conservative wife. Question number 30. Who spoke Khalil? This is Khalil. Khalil Gibran's words. Your children are not. Shiv Subramania Iyer, Samsuddin, Kalam's father, none. Who spoke these words? Kalam's father. And to whom? To his mother, Asiyamma. 31. Where was Kalam's house? Near a cinema hall, near a park, on the Mask Street. Where? You can easily answer it. On the Mask Street. 32. What did Kalam think and say about his parents? How were his parents? They were tall, handsome, wise, all the above. So, what is the correct option for us? They were tall and handsome, no doubt. Wise as well. So, all the above. 33. Why did Kalam's father say Khalil Gibran's words, your children are not? To boast, सानो शौकत दिखाने के लिए, to ask his wife not to stop their young son from going out. कलाम बाहर जाने वाले थे, कहाँ जाने वाले थे? रामनाथपुरम, हायर स्टडीज के लिए। तो अपनी वाइफ को समझा रहे थे वो, टू बी जेनरस ऑल। So what is the correct option for us? B. To ask his wife not to stop their young son from going out. Now the next one. Whom did Kalam's father say these words? We have just discussed about it. Your children are not your children. To Kalam, to Samsuddin, to his wife. Whom? To his wife. 35. The name of Abdul Kalam's father was. What was the name of his father? Jainulabdin, Samsuddin, Rahimuddin, none of these. Yes, Jainulabdin. Now the last question in this video. And before that, I would like to remind you once again, do let me know in comment section how many of your answers you attempted correctly. Post Second World War, India's freedom was from the text itself already achieved, still long fetched, imminent, not possible. So what is the correct option for us? Imminent. That means fixed. हमारी आज़ादी क्या थी? तय थी. Our freedom was fixed. That's all in this video. Hope you enjoyed this session. Have a nice day.